Model 2017 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 2.2 CDI long wheelbase needs engine repair Euro 6. Body white, panel van. Mileage 228439. MOT the 26th of February 2026. Engine 2143 CCOM 651 140 HPMI 2B. Transmission 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and wont turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary: bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740